Lisa, provide me with the version of my Proxmox server.
7.0 to 13 is the version of the Proxmox server.
Lisa, give me the user groups of my Proxmox server.
Here is the list of the one groups of the Proxmox server that I found. Admin.
Lisa, what are the users of the group admin on my Proxmox server?
Here is the list of 2 users of the group admin present on the Proxmox server. Sarah at PVE, Hitcham at PVE.
Lisa, give me the list of my Proxmox virtual machines.
There are 6 virtual machines on Node Black Mix of the Proxmox server: Ubuntu, Blackback, Jelly, Sense, Testbed, Lexa.
Lisa, create new Proxmox virtual machine from the template 200.
Sorry, I did not understand your request. Can you try again, please?
Lisa, create new Proxmox virtual machine from the template 200.
I initiated the creation of the new virtual machine from template number 200. The new virtual machine identifier is 105.
Lisa, suppress the Proxmox virtual machine with ID 105.
I cannot perform the deletion request because target virtual machine with identifier 105 is locked.
Lisa, suppress the Proxmox virtual machine with ID 100.
Sorry, I did not understand your request. Can you try again, please?
Lisa, destroy the Proxmox virtual machine with ID 100.
I cannot perform the deletion request because target virtual machine with identifier 100 is running.
Lisa, destroy the Proxmox virtual machine with ID 104.
The deletion request of the virtual machine 104 was initiated successfully.
Lisa, thank you.
You are welcome.